Hello everyone, we will cook today some semolina halva with molasses and walnuts. Okay, for this one we need 3 glass of water milk, 2 glass of water semolina, 1 glass of water grape molasses, 4 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon flour, 1/2 glass of tea olive oil, 1/2 glass of tea sugar, 1 glass of tea walnuts, like this. Okay, we start to take the pan and we are pouring our milk first of all. Okay, secondly we add the molasses in it. Right now we are adding the sugar. And you can begin to mix. This is ultimately a healthy dessert. No harm comes from this one to you. All the Turkish people love this dessert too much, and we find this one very healthy, and it is too much common to consume this dessert. Pekmezli irmik helvası in Turkish, this one. We have a second pan right now and we start to put in this one the butter. We leave the previous one and we take the other pan and we started to add the butter in it. And you are pouring the olive oil and start to mix this one as well. Okay, we melted our mixture in the second pan and we are adding the walnuts in it. The walnut that is in the glass of tea. We added this one also and we are mixing it with the butter. Okay, a little time passed before adding the semolina and we are now adding the semolina in it. Okay, the 2 glass of semolina as in the recipe, we are adding this 2 glass of water semolina and we are mixing for it. Okay, you can add the flour in it. And go for the mixing. You are mixing this one until you get a light brown color. It has to be like light brown color. You can see the color in it while you are baking. And we are baking this one in low temperature. This is the color that you get at the end. Okay, you can take the first pan from the start of the video, the pan from the start, and begin to pour the mixture in it into this pan slowly. Don't try to pour this one immediately, and you will have a mixture like this after this process. Add the mixture from the first pan into this second pan gradually. Don't finish the first one immediately, and until you finish, continue to keep pouring the mixture from the first pan gradually. You can pour this one in small amounts until you finish the mixture in the first pan. Right now all the process is done, and we are closing the cover of it and start to leave it for the rest about 20 minutes. I am servicing it in a cup, but before you service this in cup, you can make it a little bit waterish. It prevents the gluing of the dessert for you. Okay, I am servicing this one. This is the most healthy thing you can eat, and the most delicious one. Okay, it's ready for the service. Have an enjoy.